How to add Payoneer payments to Shopify. Go to the Shopify website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings option. It's usually located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. In the Settings menu, you'll see various options. Look for the one that says Payments and click on it. Scroll down until you find the section titled Additional Payment Methods. Under this section, there should be an option to add payment method. Click on it. Instead of scrolling through a long list of payment methods, there's a handy search option. Tap on Search by Provider. Look for the search bar and type in Payoneer. After typing Payoneer in the search bar, you'll see Payoneer checkout in the results. Click on it to select it. Now, it's time to install the Payoneer application for Shopify. There should be a button that says Install or something similar. Click on it to proceed with the installation. Click on Install. After installing the Payoneer app, you'll need to set up or link your Payoneer account. Click on the option that says Manage Account to do this. If you already have a Payoneer account, sign in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to register for a new account. Fill in the required information such as your name, email, phone number, and any other details Payoneer asks for. Payoneer may require you to verify your identity by providing some documents. Follow the instructions to complete this process. Once your Payoneer account is set up, follow the steps to connect it to your Shopify store. After connecting Payoneer, go back to the Shopify settings to make sure everything is set up correctly. Double-check that all steps are completed successfully. Congratulations! Payoneer payments are now integrated into your Shopify store. You're all set to accept payments from your customers using Payoneer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.